do Washington. Good. How about California? Good. How about Texas? Keep it on California. Good. Now next car on Texas. Texas. Now the next car on Nevada. Good. Now the next car on New Mexico. Good. Now the next car on Florida.
This car.
Okay, put that on Florida. Think about it. Florida?
Yeah.
Where's Florida? Good. Okay, now put a car on New York.
This car.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead. Good. Now put a car on, do you remember Tennessee?
This one.
Okay, you gotta find Tennessee. Very good, Dylan. Let's see.
This car.
That car, what else? How about, do you remember where Connecticut is? Very good, Dylan.